Hello everyone. I am Zahid. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful and amazing poster of your product for a Facebook post using a Canva template. First of all, go to canva.com. Go to social media. And then select Facebook post. A canvas will open. I am looking for a template related to spring. For this, I will type spring in search bar. All template related to spring are shown here. This template is looking good and will work for my poster best. Click this and it will appear on our canvas. I want to add my product pic to this poster, so I will adjust the text to the right corner. Now I will import my product image into Canva by drag and drop. So here is the problem. Our product image background needs to be removed. For this, I will use a website. remove.bg. A link is also given in description. Now, here I will import the same product image to the website. When the upload is completed, our background will be removed automatically. It has done a very good job except for this small patch, which we will remove manually. By clicking this edit button, a new window will open. Zoom into the patch. Decrease brush or eraser size and remove the remaining patch. All done. Now, download and import this image to Canva. Adjust the size. Now I want to edit this text to my choice. I also want to change the text color to white. By clicking the text color icon, color swatches will open, and by selecting the white color, our text color will be changed. One thing we can do extra is to bring this brush style element to the front or above our product image. To do so, I have to right-click on it, and by selecting Bring to Front, the element will come on top. The element has overlapped our product and it has created a very good depth of focus. And with some little bit adjustments, our poster is ready to download. So that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.